Yo, my people, what's going on, man? It's Master S Plus, the best. You know the vibes, man. Back here with a different type of video for you today. So, the first one on my channel, a little bit medicated. First thing I want to say is big up to all my subscribers. Much love always. I appreciate you always paying attention and locking into my videos and all your words and comments. I've always got your back, so I'm always looking out for you guys, man. So I appreciate you wanted to say that. But yeah, we got a different type of video for you today. And I've been meaning to do this for a while, actually. And yeah, I've been meaning to do this for a while. But today we're going to actually do an unboxing video. We're going to do an unboxing video. So today, what we actually have for you, yeah, is obvious. And yeah, so bear with me, I'm new to this, yeah. Well, it's been a while. But yeah, we've got the XQ2 by Arizer. Yeah, there you go. XQ2. Now, right, I wanted to tell you guys, yeah, like obviously I'll tell you why I got it as well. But yeah, this is what we're working with, and obviously I'll show you the box anyway, so get a little look. I'll probably show you at this point in the video. Listen, I'm new to this, guys. Like, share, subscribe while I'm trying to flip this round, and take your pause when you need it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you. And yeah, so that's a little box look, but we're dealing with the XQ2 today. And basically, right, so I'll show you the box in a second properly, but basically, why did I get that? I'll tell you why I got it as well, and when I got it. I got it because I remember that back in the day, like I had a vape and someone else I knew had a vape, like a big one. I had a couple of vapes, and I guess I'll touch on that at some point if you guys want me to, like my vape history or whatever. But like I remember back in the day, like there was this big one. I think the make was Vaporizer or something like that. But one of my peoples had one, so I was always like intrigued, and I knew that obviously now I had to get one. But I was literally looking for like a proper handheld one, or a new handheld one, because I had a handheld, and what happened? What happened to my handheld? For some reason, the screen just conked out, yeah? So I'll tell you anyway, well, quick one. But I had this, yeah? The Spirit by Storm. And you know what? It was sturdy. I can't remember. I bought it from like Brighton. I went to Brighton. I paid like £100 and something for it. But basically, cut long story short, I went to go and find a new handheld vape. And then obviously I saw this. But then I was looking, and I did post on Reddit as well about the fact that I found this deal. I can't remember, this is a while ago now. Maybe it was around, I don't even know, January or something like that. So I've had it for a while, so I wanted to give you like a proper review. I'll give you a proper review of like the Air Max, because I got the Air Max with it in a bundle, because obviously I went for the premium bundle. Now you can still get it for a reasonable price. And obviously this video is not sponsored by anyone, yeah? This is just me doing it for the love of you lot, yeah? For the love of you lot. And actually being like, you know what? I understand sometimes it can all get a bit confusing, but I'm also the type of person, I'll tell you, I like to get everything I need and done. I guess that's why I always got my scripts how I got them. Like most of the time, like when I get them all together. But I like to just, if I can get them all together, then I would. And then I noticed that they had the premium bundle, and I was like, well, look, it was a good product, this, and the price wasn't good. I think it was under £2, and I think I got a sweeter deal as well, because at the time I got it, they might have been about, I'm gonna say that, I don't even know. It's sweet, it was proper sweet though, because I think I had an extra discount on something or whatever, but I think it was like, I might have ended up paying like $150 or something ridiculous. But it's a bit more expensive now. You might be able to pick it up for probably about $170, hopefully, fingers crossed. Obviously, I'll leave a link in the description. There's no affiliate on it, no nothing. Yeah, that's you lot. But I just wanted to help, because I thought, you know what, let me try a thing. But yeah, so, yeah, obviously, I'll get into the Air Max in the next video. Had to buy a new one, by the way. I'm really upset about that. But anyway, I digress, guys. I digress. Yeah, I digress. But yeah, let's get into the XQ2. Let's see what this is all about. So yeah, let's have a little look. Let's see what's going on in here. Right, so, right, obviously, yeah. Boom. So you got the you got the owner's manual, which is the first thing you see when you're in there, which obviously will tell you how to set it up. So obviously it's key. I'd advise you read the manual if you go for one of these, because at least you know optimal like what you want. And to be honest, I'm going to use it to set up my config, so I'm probably not going to go deep down into exactly where everything is, because obviously if you did want one, then obviously you can, I guess, see it yourself. But there's a lot here. Do you know what I mean? I'm interested in that long whip, like I told you. So if I'm looking at these, I probably use the long whip, and I use the little mini whip part as well if I want to, or I can just use those two. So it's all about setting up your rig. I guess I'll show you a little video when I set up my rig. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna stick with those two. And yeah, you get a lot in this little thing, but I think most of the components are actually in this one box. So, and yeah, sorry about my, move that to the side. Yeah, so most of the stuff's in this little box here. So, you know, while I'm here, man, see what we got. I'm not gonna go through it all though, but I'll just show you how it all comes. So I guess you got like a filter there, you got the bags there, you got that whip, do you know what I mean? Down there. And then I'm gonna assume you got some, oh, you fill that glass, what are they? So, right, your glass aromatherapy dishes here. You got your bags and your balloons in there. Got another screen in there. Yeah, you got your little glass pack there, and you got the other ones in there too, as you can tell. But yeah, everything seems to be in this one little bag, which is quite nifty. Let's see what else is in the bag. Hold on, and look. Oh no, it's just normal. That's fine. Right, put that to the side for a sec. See what else we got here, so. Right. So if we look back in here now, look, we got the remote. Jeez. Listen, I had to make that noise. Go on, my people. But yeah, listen, I've been looking forward to this. I'm not going to lie, but I had to give it to you guys first before I just decided to just indulge and medicate freely, you know? But look, so you've got the balloon connector assembly. See, I will be using the balloons, to be fair. I do like those ways of administration, I do. But I'm just more so probably going to be on the whip and, yeah, the mini whip. But the balloons will be good, like, once I wrap up and I'm going to bed and I just want to take a balloon in with me. It's all good. Brings back memories and nostalgia. Do you know what I mean? We've been there before, guys. We've been there before. But, right, what else we got on the right-hand side? So now, button layout. This is heavy. Oh, this is the power cable, I believe. Yeah, look. Also, it says it on the back of them anyway. But this is the power cable. Heavy, it feels, man. But look, it shows you, look, button layout. Or that's where you put your power cable. Yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. And look. So on the back, there you go. This is what this one had. Stainless steel stirring tool. Air filter cartridge. Bam, bam. With filter, balloon connector, balloon cap. Yeah. Tough bowl grip. Those ones there. So yeah, and then I guess we're down to the business end now. And that's the thing, I just didn't want to, I guess, make it all confusing, because obviously there's so many parts to this stuff, but, whoa, slippery, man. Feels like it's really, really strong plastic, so see if we can get a bit closer into this one now. Because they're at the business end. Oh, we love the business end, don't we? Oh, we do. Oh, we do. And I think I went for a black one. Oh, we do. Look at this. I'm excited, man. Proper excited, man. Like in the Ken store. But yeah. This is what we're dealing with. So there you go. You got the Arizer logo on the front. Looks kind of sleek. There's a little bit of cellophane in the corner to protect it. Do you know what I mean? Looks kind of sleek. It's not the biggest thing in the world, but it's not the smallest thing in the world. And like this would take a nice little space on the desk. Like obviously I'll show you a little angle of that anyway, but that'll take a nice little space on the desk. Or if I'm chilling, it'll take a nice little spot on the floor. I say it's pretty discreet for how it looks, but I'm a fan of this, man. It's nice and little sleek. There's not too much going on. Do you know what I mean? I'm here for this. Do you know, I've done the bulk of it. So I'll just show you there. But I'm a fan of this, man. It's real sleek, I think. Do you know what I mean? Real sleek. Real sleek. But yeah, look, this is underneath it, etc. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. And I'll see what's going on under that. But I believe that's where you put your flower, if I'm not mistaken. But there's only one way to find out. But I'll find out anyway. But yeah, I just wanted to give you, that's a quick unboxing for you. And then, yeah, I'll give you a little review once I've had a little go. See how it goes. But that's your Arizer XQ2. Yo, my people. Right, so following the instructions, yeah, this is where I am right now, yeah. Obviously, it's not plugged in, and there'll be a nice little light on the bottom anyway. I might show you that at some point, because it does look pretty, I believe. But I just found out that there's two different ways you can fill the chamber according to the booklet. This is how you read it. So if you use the big side, which I set up by default, so that it goes straight onto this, so obviously the chamber's bigger. Look how big that chamber is though, bro. Madness. That's my finger. I don't even know how to show you. But yeah, that's my finger. There's the remote. Same size as the there's the remote. It's generic size little remote. But then yeah, you can do it the other way around, and then that's the flavor chamber, so it's lighter. And obviously you can just keep chewing all day or whatever, just keep medicating all day with that small one. And obviously, yeah, so it gives you smoother, lighter vapor on that one, and then larger one. So I believe that this was going to be kick-ass anyway, and I've heard a lot about these, and obviously they've got an assisted fan mode as well. So yeah, what I've done is I'm going, when I do go for it, I'm going to go straight for the cloud chamber, I believe, with the large capacity, and yada, wait, it's that way. There you go. And yeah, so I just fill that up. But look at that. Yeah, just fill that up. And then bam, slap my whip on. Do you know what I'm saying? And we're in game, we're in business. We're in business. Do you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is the XQ2.